Hey everyone, welcome back to another video for Phoenix Monaye. In this video, as you can tell by the thumbnail, we are going to be blocking out our eyebrows. So if you want to see how to do this, stay tuned. Alright, to start off with, I'm going to be using the Prosaide. To apply this, I typically just use a Q-tip. I don't really need too much, so here we go. So I'm just going to be taking this Q-tip and dipping it in there and taking out a very fair amount of it. I don't want it to be dripping all over my face, so I just want to get it in the eyebrow as fast as I can so that the stuff doesn't drip. So I will just be going over here and I'm going to really get this stuff in there. Just keep dipping and reapplying and dipping again. I go back and forth to make sure that I get all up in the eyebrows. Alright, and once you have that first layer on, I'm going to just be using that same Q-tip head to push the hairs up and make it as flat as possible. Okay, now that I have those hairs pretty flat up there, I'm going to be taking a hair dryer and we'll be just quickening the drying process. Okay, so now this is mostly dry, but I'm not going to have it dry completely because I'm going to be packing it with powder to fill in the gaps and to make it more flat. So the powder that I use is the Monaye Neutral Set Colorless powder. So what I'm just going to be doing with this is I want to be putting it on just a little thing like this, and I'm going to be just packing it in the eyebrow. Now the next thing I do is I'll just be taking a little brush and just brushing off the powder. Alright, now we're moving on to a glue stick. I am just using the Elmers washable glue stick in purple. So what you're going to need for this one is butter knife, obviously glue stick. So I'm just going to be taking a hefty chunk out of this glue stick, just like that. Now with the butter knife, I'm just going to be using it to bring the hairs up as best I can. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is color correct. For this, I am using Mehron Star Blend Cake Makeup in orange. So I'm just going to be using a little brush and just applying that all over. Alright, now that that's done, it's time to conceal. So to conceal, I'm going to be using my Monaye Creme Foundation in P43 Alabaster. Now I'm going to be taking my foundation, which I'll be using the Monaye Creme Foundation P5 in Neutral Fair. So now with the sponge, I'm just going to be blending it out. Okay, now we're going to powder one more time. Alright, and that's it. 2 completely blocked out eyebrows without having to shave. So please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more dragtastic content.